Today's top 15 tech stories. Subscribe and hit the bell for daily tech updates. Russia thought its supply roads 100 miles from the front were safe. Ukrainian operators can free hunt with new drones. Russian supply roads 100 miles from the front have been rendered vulnerable to Ukrainian drone attacks, allowing free hunting of Russian logistics with limited defenses. Ukrainian operators can now use new mid-range strike drones to target Russian military assets deep behind the front lines. Inside Ukraine's secret mission to devastate Russian energy facilities, Ukrainian soldiers, operating under strict secrecy, are conducting a drone war against Russia, striking oil and gas facilities inside the country to counter Moscow's aggression against Ukraine. The first independent center for unmanned systems has been successful in recent months, giving Ukrainians hope again by targeting Russian energy facilities. Top U.S. general says Ukraine's F-16s recently shot down their first Russian fighter jet, showing how far its air defense has come. U.S. Air Force Gen. Dan Kane revealed that Ukraine's F-16 fighter jets recently shot down their first Russian fighter jet, demonstrating significant advancements in Ukraine's air defenses. This development showcases Ukraine's growing capability to effectively scale its layered defense systems against varied threats. Zelensky says Ukraine hits a Russian oil refinery for the second time in a week. Ukrainian forces struck Russia's major Afar oil refinery for the second time in a week, according to President Volodymyr Zelensky. Additionally, Ukraine hit a plant producing missile components in Russia's Penza region, causing damage and injuries. A U.S. Army commander used attack drones and C4 packed robots to clear a deadly breach before soldiers even got in the fight. A U.S. Army company commander used attack drones and ground robots to clear a deadly breach at Fort Polk, Louisiana, allowing soldiers to enter the area uncontested. The uncrewed systems destroyed enemy positions, showcasing the potential role of Army unmanned systems in future wars. Secret Service Director says threat environment most challenging he's ever seen. U.S. Secret Service Director Sean Curran described the current threat environment as the most challenging he has ever seen, citing off-the-charts numbers and a volatile situation that affects not just protectees but also local officials. Top NATO general says he believes alliance forces are ready for a drone-infested battlefield like the one in Ukraine. NATO's Supreme Allied Commander Europe, U.S. Air Force Gen. Alexis Grinkiewicz, believes Allied forces are ready to operate on a battlefield like Ukraine's, which is saturated with drones, electronic warfare, and constant surveillance. Electric air taxis go to war. Archer Aviation, a leading air taxi startup, has co-developed with Anduril a new aircraft called Thunder, designed for both military and commercial use. The fully autonomous attack rotorcraft features a series hybrid powertrain, enabling longer range and precision flight capabilities. The FCC is cracking down on DJI tech that dodged the foreign drone ban. The Federal Communications Commission, FCC, is fining 8 companies $25,000 each for dodging the foreign drone ban by failing to respond to FCC letters. The companies, identified as DJI front companies, have been given 10 days to answer FCC questions before further action is taken. Ukraine has gone from accepting just about any old weapon to showing Western militaries how modern war is fought. Ukraine has transformed from accepting any available military support to developing cutting-edge weaponry and tactics that Western militaries are studying. The country accelerated its development of drones and other systems in 2024, shifting focus from conventional weapons to innovations in drone warfare. A year in a foxhole, Ukrainian soldier survives beneath the front line. Ukrainian soldier Serhiy Krynitsky survived nearly a year in a foxhole on the front lines, sharing the experience with his comrade who was killed by shrapnel from a drone bomb. The incident highlights the impact of drone warfare on modern battlefields, leading to smaller teams and scattered positions across a wide kill zone. The same 5G network your phone uses can identify and track rogue drones. AT&T and Ericsson successfully demonstrated their integrated sensing and communication technology, using a 5G network to track and identify rogue drones. The proof-of-concept demo, held near AT&T Stadium in Texas, showcased the potential of this technology to detect and intercept unauthorized aerial vehicles. Ousted Defense Minister lays bare rift at heart of Ukraine's war effort. Outgoing Defense Minister Mikhailo Fedorov accused Ukraine's top general Alexander Siersky, of undermining his efforts and blocking initiatives, revealing a rift at the heart of Ukraine's war effort. The dispute highlights tensions between those advocating for technology-based solutions to defeat Russia and the head of the armed forces. NATO can't just stockpile millions of drones and hope they'll still matter in the next war, officials warn. NATO officials warn that building millions of drones for future conflicts could result in stockpiles of outdated technology, emphasizing the need for flexible procurement models that allow for rapid updates and production of cutting-edge gear. Ukraine is showing the West that wars may turn on who can innovate, adapt, and act the fastest, not who has the best weapons. Ukraine's fight against Russia's invasion is highlighting the importance of speed in warfare, with German military official Heiko Hübner stating that rapid innovation and adaptation can be a deciding factor on the battlefield. This shift away from solely focusing on developing better weapons emphasizes the need for militaries to quickly integrate new technologies into their forces to achieve a decisive advantage. Thanks for watching, like and comment below. See you in the next update.